Hello and welcome back to episode 3 of Brewing with Burton. Today I'm going to be brewing on the Moka Pot. As always, a little bit of history as we get it out of the box. Invented by an Italian engineer in 1933 by the name of Alfonso Bialetti, this iconic staple of Italian coffee culture brews coffee by passing boiling water, pressurised by steam, through freshly ground coffee to give you a rich, luxurious, delicious cup of coffee. And apparently it was named after the Yemeni city of Moka. I mean, look at the thing. It is pretty iconic. You're going to need a few things: delicious coffee, set of scales, and freshly filtered water. Right, weigh out 18 grams of delicious whole bean coffee. Grind fresh, if you can, to a fine consistency. Give it a smell. Delicious. Right, remove the bottom chamber and the filter from the brewer. And you want to add just off the boiled water to the valve. Steady. Right, grab your filter, pop your filter in the brewer, grab your coffee and bang it in your brew pot, like so. Right, you do not need to tamp at this point, just flatten off the grounds with your finger, grab a tea towel, because the chamber's hot, grab the top of the pot and screw it back on. Open up the lid, turn on the heat source, wait a few minutes, and then you will have delicious coffee. It's coffee. Right. One thing to remember, once you hear a gurgling sound, get the bottom ran under cold water to stop the brewing process. This will lead to a cleaner tasting brew. Grab yourself a good smell. Delicious. Right, get your cup, and then if you wanted, you could just pour yourself some coffee now. There's probably enough in this brewer to make 2 decent cups of coffee. You could add a little splash of hot water to make an Americano style coffee, or if you like me, you could do a milky beverage. Right, we're going to try this bad boy out. So this is the Burton milk frother. Looks like a cafetiere. Just got a thinner filter on top. Looks pretty nice. Just a glass container. Right, bring back your heat source. Go and grab yourself a pan and some delicious milk. Also, you're going to need a few things: milk pitcher and a thermometer. Right, let's get started. So, I normally fill up the pitcher halfway with milk, just to get my eye in. Pour the milk into the pan, turn on the heat source, grab your thermometer, pop it in your pan, and you're going to be looking for about 60 degrees. Have another look, and another look, and just as you see the milk bubbling, turn off the heat source and remove your pan from the hob. Put your thermometer to one side, fill up your milk frother, probably make a mess like me, and then you want to plunge vigorously or until the milk doubles in volume. You can keep going if you want to make cappuccino milk, but I quite like mine smooth and textured, probably like a latte. Give it a swirl, combine the milk, nice and silky, bring your coffee back in, and then go and get yourself a date and walnut cake. Right, now's the time to practice your barista skills. Here we go, latte art. Oh, not that bad, Bert. I'm pretty impressed with that. Right, grab your date and walnut cake, have a big bite, and then slowly congratulate yourself and have a nice drink of that delicious milky coffee. Right? Perfect. Might just have a clear up. Oh, I'll have another bite of date and walnut cake. Right, as always, what's up for grabs? The Moka Pot, and I'm going to throw in the Burton milk frother, delicious coffee, have another drink of your coffee, congratulate yourself, and as always, subscribe, like, comment. Thanks for watching, and happy brewing.